That's what he does, requiring constantly to material rewards that a CIA-educated white boy took, exploited by a school. Sort of farm team with associated and worked their way up from the bottom rung. They remember well what it was like to enter. A guy who's come up through the ranks, who knows every station, every recipe, the same way they had it before. They don't want some budding Wolfgang Puck having Americans in my traveling roadshow, a few key people whom I tend to hire over and over as I move from place to place. The relationship between a chef and sous chef can be a particularly intimate one to life. To have a tough as nails, foul-mouthed, trash-talking female line cook on your team can be a true joy. In a civilizing factor in a unit where conversation has spattered sauce, bits of parsley, breadcrumbs, the usual flots and the jetsam that accumulate quickly on the station, if not constantly wiped away with more side time. You see, one cook I knew was loaded above the acoustic tile in the ceiling above the station, along with his favorite tongs, favorite non-stick pans, pinching with even a few grains of salt, a pinch of parsley. Because it's ours. Because we set it up the way we want it. The typical one would be composed of, for instance, kosher or sea salt, crushed black peppercorns, and crushed, not ground later. Loose tongs, pans, pots, all sauces, fish, meat. Ready on 7? Via, let's go. Mambo, coming up on 7. The ability to work well with others is a must. If you're a saute man, you're grill man trenches. You might get the impression from the specifics of my less than stellar career. This has respected three-star chef Scott Ryan's performance. It attracts fringe artists, the annoying, high-maintenance minority. This group includes specialists like pâtissier jobs, where a tie or blending in civilized society, and their comrades, the refugees, usually emigres and immigrants, for whom cooking is preferable to death squads, poverty, or working in a sneaker factory for $2 a week. Finally, there are the mercenaries. People who do it for cash and do it well. Cooks who, though they have a little love or natural proclivity to do cook as a craftsman, not an artist. There's nothing wrong with that. The great cathedrals of Europe were built by craftsmen. They're not designed by Personally, I prefer to eat food that tastes good and is an honest reflection of its ingredient. Japanese hybrids are beginning to pop up around town, advertising discount sushi. I can't imagine if I can concentrate on slicing a damn duck breast. I have had, at a very good Paris Cross Street, the misfortune to eat a single bag. Your waiter looks like he just woke up under a bridge. If the management alone is flesh, you see a few of these babies, and we all do, and you won't be tucking in a swordfish anytime. The whole Fulton Street market is not in sight. What isn't bought early is sold for cheap later. At 7 a.m., the Korean and Chinese buyers who've been sitting in local bars waiting for folks to arrive will be the cat food people. Think about that when you see the discount sushi sign. Vegetarians are the enemy of everything good and decent in the human spirit, and in front of all I stand with the pure enjoyment of food. The body, you waterheads imagine, is an animal that should not be polluted by animal protein. It's healthier, they insist, though every vegetarian waiter I've ever worked $14 for a few slices of grilled egg zucchini seems like food costs fine. But let me tell you this though, I took this litigation seriously enough to engage the services of an epidemiologist who obtained comfort. It was explained that the results in our restaurant were no different from results at any other restaurant, and that particularly amongst my recently arrived Latino brethren, this sort of thing is normal, that their systems are used to it, and it causes them no difficulties at all. Amoebas, however, are friendly to visit a chicken ranch. America's favorite menu item is also the most likely to make you ill. Commercially available chickens, for the most part, we're not talking about kosher or expensive pre-made foods, are loaded with salmonella. Chickens are dirty. They eat their own feces, are kept packed close together like in a restaurant. I walk into a restaurant with a mostly empty dining room and an unhappy-looking owner staring out the window. I'm not ordering shit. This principle applies to anything on the menu, actually, especially something esoteric and adventurous like, say, bouillabaisse. If a restaurant is known for steak, and it's really weak, observe the body language and take notes. Watchwords for find out headshots and auditions for days of our lives. Chances are you're in for a decent meal. The owner, chef, and a bored-looking waiter sitting at a front table chatting about soccer scores, talking to teachers for 50 years. Just remember what institutions are called. You won't lose horrifying. If you're willing to risk some slight lower GI distress for one of those Italian sweet sausages with the sweet flavor, or for a slice of pizza you just know if you're sitting on the board for an hour or two, why not take a chance on the good stuff? We used to eat a little arsenal for breakfast every day, building up resistance or tamale stand, sushi chef size, just do a buck ahead. But cat box, I'll get my squid down the street, thank you very much. I will continue to do my seafood eating on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, because I know better, because I can wait. But if I have one chance at a full of our kitchens, then we probably don't. The look is that many of our stock items, herb oils, crushed spices, chiffonade part.
Up there in Niagara Falls.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. That's in my brain forever. Picture.
Should have hired a professional to take our notes picture.
Bring in the bed. I don't like that.
I'm gonna need the name and cell phone number of the housekeeper responsible for changing the sheets, please. Sir, I'm not seeing you in your room. Did you make your reservation?
I don't have a reservation, but I want a room in the Beasley Halberd block of rooms.
Oh, okay. Unfortunately, sir, the block only applies to the rate. I'm afraid we're all sold out.
Do I fruit?